Everyone has to be on their best behavior because there's a lady present. I'll delete this video if you're rude. Okay, my mom's here. This is the Debbie machine. Yay. She's ready to
My fan club's here.
I have never done my mom's makeup before, which is shocking to me, honestly. But like, it has to happen. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
That wasn't English. Are you really excited?
Yeah, I am actually, because, you know, I'm not really a makeup person, so...
We couldn't tell. Have you ever gotten your makeup done before?
I don't think so.
Not even like your wedding day or...
Oh, no.
Well, I've seen your wedding pictures. You were wearing like a straw hat, so...
I thought I looked cute.
You know what would go great with that is a full face of makeup. The straw hat.
Yeah, the straw hat.
I'm here to get married, hell yeah! Have you ever had like fake eyelashes on?
Oh, no.
Never?
No.
Let me tell you, it's not fun.
I know. I'm beginning to wonder why I said yes.
I can tell how prepared you are for this because you wore your glasses over here. Do you have contacts?
Well, I haven't, but I haven't worn them in a really long time.
Okay, so am I supposed to do your makeup with your glasses on?
With or without.
But you can't fucking see.
Okay.
Do you have any allergies?
Dogs and cats.
You have a dog.
But she has hair, not fur. I'm allergic to fur.
I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do to you, but I'm thinking of words that are like dark, dramatic, heavy, wide. We're just gonna do a lot of makeup. Step one in getting ready is just don't have bangs. I'm gonna start you off with a little primer.
Primer is what you put on walls, right? Underneath paint. Why there's so many, like that one's round, it looks like a clown nose.
That's racist, first of all, and stop it.
Clown? What's racist about clown?
I'm 1/4 clown and I did find that offensive.
Why do you use that one instead of like the square sponges and then there's the other kind of sponges?
Valid
like the
questions,
round
all
ones?
of them.
And then, you know, some of them are more dense and some
Yeah.
of them have more holes. Okay, what are you doing right now?
I'm just testing to see if I can use this color on you or not. You know what? Fuck it, why not? Here at Jenna's Ratchet Salon, we only have a small selection of foundations, one of which is guaranteed to go on your face, no matter what. This is gonna be like a light mask over your face. Like you have someone else's face on top of your face.
Ew. Oh, I can't talk if my face can't move.
Yes, you can. You absolutely can. Mom, you don't look a day over 31. Fun fact, when my mother was born, she was already pregnant with me. We're only a year apart. We're Irish twins.
Whatever you say, honey. Don't we have an event we can go to later on tonight?
I'm sure we could find like a Walgreens or something. Just show up to Walgreens like looking hella beat, girl. Give me that face, girl, because I'm gonna beat it.
This is what models and movie stars and people go through to get ready to go to work. Is all of this.
Why do you think it takes me so long to film? Now we're gonna start some contouring. Are you ready, machine?
Ready.
Let me
There you
see.
go.
Let me see. Look up. Don't. Alright, look up.
Leave them open or closed?
Open. Unless you want to close your eyes and look up inside your mind.
And I'm wondering why I agreed to this.
I'm having flashbacks right now.
I'm gonna set it a little bit with some powder because what I really want is to go for the contour right away. What was that?
That thing's sharp.
It's from years of abuse, that's all.
That brush is sharp. It's like jabbing.
Well, I am doing a light jabbing motion. Now we're gonna go in with this beautiful, natural-looking palette of colors. Here's Debbie and Machine.
I wish I'd worn my sushi shirt.
Oh my god.
Just wait till the waterline. That's when I wanted to kill myself.
He actually wanted to die. Here at Jenna's Ratchet Salon, we can't guarantee you that we're not gonna get our brushes directly into your eye. And I'm also not baking you, which is the thing.
Baking?
Yeah, baking.
Baking?
Dark contour. What, are you tired already?
I like
Motion
that.
over here.
That's kind of fun. That's when you don't do the apples of your cheeks. You do the underneath the apples of your cheeks.
Who was like somebody that you thought was so beautiful?
David Bowie.
Who can we make you look like?
David Bowie.
I'm not quite that skilled.
Can you do the lightning bolt across her face?
No, actually, no, I can't.
How long will it take me to take all this off?
You know, a while. Ooh! Cut me with those cheekbones! gross, Debbie! I don't have any blush, so I'll just rub this dirty brush on your face until it gets on.
That one's sharp too.
You know.
Well, the reason why I don't need blush is because that thing is stabbing me in the face with 1,000 tiny needles.
I need to do some nice highlight on your cheekbones. It's very Instagram. You look like J-Lo reborn. My goodness, you're just glowing. Have you ever been so illuminated in your life?
I don't think so, because I have no idea what I
Can't
look
see,
like.
can you? Do you ever do your eyebrows?
Do what to them?
The first thing I'm gonna do is shave them. Are you okay with that? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I'll just shave like the inside half. Leave the tail. Can I write the words hell yeah?
But I know this is new for you, but I'm proud of you.
Oh,
Took me 35 minutes.
10 points to Gryffindor. Ooh, girl, yeah! You look like a new woman already.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille.
We'll get in here. What about any of these colors?
Ooh, that's clown makeup.
I have it on right now. What are you trying to say?
Oh.
I just got insulted at my own salon. Are you excited?
No,
Why not?
because I don't want shit on my face.
Too bad. If you didn't want shit on your face, you shouldn't have agreed to this. Are you nearsighted or farsighted?
Good to go.
Both. You need glasses to see things far away, and then you need glasses for reading things up close.
What are your eyes good for then?
You're looking like $1,000,000 already.
I look like $1,000,000 before.
The Debbie revolution.
Is it a big revolution or a little revolution?
It's probably little. Do you trust me? You shouldn't.
I have an older sister. It sounded like something she'll say. Oops. Oh no, I'll fix it. I had really long hair and she cut it really short one time because she wanted to see what it would be like if she had short hair.
Wait, she wanted to see what it would be like if she had short hair?
Thank you.
So she cut your hair?
Yes.
That's fucked up. I let somebody cut stairs into my bangs.
I would have stairs in my bank.
I got scissors.
Well, I don't know if I would let you do stairs. in
Why
my
not? I know what stairs look like.
I don't want stairs in my bangs, I want escalators in my bangs. So just,
Oh my goodness, Debbie
bank. It
machine.
tickles.
This is gonna be a long night.
isn't this the worst?
It's like icky. Can you put me under this?
Imagine if someone went under to get their makeup done. Debbie, you're looking beautiful.
Well, I'm freaking better after all this.
You know, you get a free Ratchet Salon experience. Usually this costs at least $1,000.
I'm a beauty
I was
guru.
laughing.
Have you used my affiliate code? I'm a beauty guru.
Do you know that today I debated doing full face using only affiliate codes, where I just printed out affiliate codes and glued them to my face? Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do that, because I am serious. I will do it. Oh, oops. What?
No one likes to hear oops when someone's working on
Why
it.
not? Drink away your fear of looking beautiful.
I am already beautiful. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. It sounds a little, it's kind of like the Police, you know?
It sounds nothing like the Police.
You are so beautiful, you are so beautiful, you are so beautiful.
Hell yeah! Girl, you looking so cute though, girl. Oh my god. Okay, I know you can't see and you think I'm like massacring your face right now, but you look cute as fuck.
Debbie, you look cute as fuck.
You look so cute. I know what you're gonna say. I'm already cute. Girl, we know. I brought one, I think. Oh, I brought this like orange. Aren't you glad I brought out my orange lipstick?
Aren't you glad?
Look straight up.
What?
Look up like this. Alright, you know, maybe it's not necessary. I'll try to jam my mascara wand in there, so.
Jam is on the prohibited list of terminology right now.
Oh, damn, look at that face. The expertise. Keep going, more. Damn, girl.
Who is that?
You look beautiful and natural and demure like the flower that you are. Like, you should get into lashes, Mom.
Debbie,
They look really good
you look
on
really
you.
good.
Here, let me get you a mirror. I know you think that I like did something crazy to your face, but I didn't. I kept it like not that crazy. I know you guys, I'm sure, expected me to just do something terrible to her. But I would never do that to my own mother. So here you go. Debbie, are you ready for your reveal?
I'm ready.
Yo, hit my mom up in the BlackBerry Messenger. Yo, you want to take her out? Hey, see?
Yeah.
Hey,
A
girl.
little fake though, it's the only thing.
Hell
Farther
yeah.
away is better.
Mom, that's my whole life. Farther away is much better. Just stand very far away from me.
But that took a long time to do that, to make all that. Oh, look like.
Here,
This is
let
what
me.
you look like.
I think
Wow.
we should have done the drag queen one.
Well, you know, there's always next time. You were the one that was making a big deal out of some eyeliner. So if you're scared of eyeliner, drag makeup's not for you, girl.
No, you're right.
Yo, if you want to take my mom out on a date, you should mail a letter to P.O. Box /Nickelodeon.14369, Orlando, Chicago, Arizona. Right?
The Juggalos want to come.
I'm sorry, what did you say
The
about
insane,
Juggalos?
the insane clown posse. They're my tribe.
Well, I mean, Mom, there's always next time we can do some Juggalo makeup on you. It would be my honor to make the outside match the inside if that's the case. I forgot to set you with some spray. Close your eyes! What the hell?
Well, that is weird.
You put your glasses on.
Oh.
Hey! Just a little Debbie in a big world! Okay, you feeling yourself, huh? You look like you're my cousin that's like 5 years older than me. But that's also my fault because I did so much sun damage to my face. Kids, don't go tanning. You're welcome!
Well, thank you.
Okay, that'll be $700.
$700?
$1,000 with tip.
Well, wait, we agreed on,
$2,000.
No.
Alright, give me 6.
I raised you for when you were a baby. I'm not paying you nothing. We're off to Walgreens.
So next time I shave your brows off and we do full drag? Yeah?
No.
Alright, make sure you smash that dislike button, and if you want me to glue affiliate codes all over my face, well, you just let me know, whatever. Thank you for being here, Mom. We love you so much. Alright, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Wednesday/Thursday. I'll see you. What is that? What's going on here? Tight, Mom, tight. That's tight. Yeah.
It's the Boy Scout salute.
Mm-hmm. Is that, are you sure it's this? This is the Boy Scout? Okay. We'll see you guys next week. Bye. Say bye. Let's play a game called Whose Hand Is This? Zoom in on her face and say something.
Something.
Hey, goodbye.